Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide, and I'm sleeping in the hot tent tonight. So one little trick I like to do is to put together little kindling bundles. One for the morning, or one for tonight, and one for the morning. So my preference is these little desiccated pine tree branches. And what I'm going to do is I roll them in the birch bark. Please don't take this off a tree unless it's on the ground dead or you're just picking it up off the ground. But please don't take it off a tree. And then it might seem weird, but I always take this in my cook box, just blue painter's tape. And I know it's an odd thing to have in the cook box, but I almost always use it for something. So I just make a little burrito roll, which I'm going to show you. And then I just bind it together with this, stick it in the wood stove once at night. Tonight, it's supposed to get down to 40. And once in the morning when I'm making my coffee. So check your piece. Sometimes this layer here is wet. It tends to hold moisture. But if you just rip that part off and have it be that, a lot of times it doesn't. And if you want to put a little bit of little pieces on the inside, you can do that. This has been such a drought year that this is dry, so I'm going to use it. So you can separate. I'm going to separate this into two piles because I need one for tonight, one for tomorrow. And then because this is nice, I'll just do this too. Can do that. And then I'm just gonna get the tape started so it's easier with gloves. This is prickly, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the gloves on. And I'm just gonna make a little bundle like that. And then I'm just gonna roll it in the birch bark. Like that. And then take our glove off. Then I'm just gonna put the painter's tape to it. And it's just gonna be, quick and dirty. It's just gonna be one of these so it doesn't come off. And then once in the morning and once at night, that goes in the wood stove, and I just light either end of it. This is nice that it's sticking out because that makes like a little wick. I have done that in the past. I hope you're enjoying a beautiful fall canoe season. I'm Lisa DeHart, and you've just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.